For the last 15 years, I've been repairing, replacing, and installing garage door opener motors for all the major manufacturers. And consequently, the question I get the most is, which is the best garage door motor to buy? Naturally, I respond, it depends. Want a solid chain drive? Get the LiftMaster 8155W. Want a Genie chain drive? Then you can't go wrong with Genie's 3020 model. You don't like chain drives, you say? Genie's 3064 screw drive is a no-brainer. What about a belt drive? The LiftMaster 8550W is my choice. But let's say you're a baller and you want to pull out all the stops and purchase the most over-the-top amazing garage door tech available today. Then the LiftMaster 8500W was made for you. And if you don't like Genie nor LiftMaster, then consider the German-made Marantec motor. Like I said, it depends on what you really want. The point is, there is a garage door motor for everyone. And as motors come and go, I often change my list of recommended motors to fit specific needs. But as the powers that be would have it, there is one motor, among others, that I can no longer recommend after the 1st of July 2019. And I'm not happy about it. Hello everyone, my name is Santiago Guerra from SOS Garage Door Service, and this is my review / rant / whatever on what is considered one of my favorite garage door opener motors, the soon-to-be outlawed LiftMaster 8355W. Now let me start off by saying that I'm the type of person that appreciates forward thinking. I completely understand the benefits of always improving and renewing what was once an established product, making it better and more efficient. However, if something isn't broken, you know the rest. The exception for me would be the LiftMaster 8355W. This motor has been around the market for quite some time. The 8355W has a quiet belt drive motor that offers great features for the more budget-conscious shopper. Here's some specs under the hood. You get a 1/2 horsepower AC motor for a quiet belt drive operation. It comes with Security Plus 2 2.0 unique coding for each remote access and real-time status notifications. Built-in MyQ Wi-Fi for smart homes. Digital electronic limits for easy setup. Auto force adjusting for changing climate circumstances. Home link compatibility for versions 4.0 and higher, and a solid-state T-rail assembly for sturdy operation. At first glance, these specs alone are nothing special, but what this motor offers is a consistent, great user experience. Additionally, this motor also offers just the right amount of bells and whistles that make it a great purchase. Hence, it doesn't force you to buy a feature that you may never really need nor use. So why is it outlawed? Well, because of the California State Bill 969. A new bill passed in California that requires all garage door openers to be installed with a battery backup. Now, I plan on making a video dedicated to this new bill. However, the reason why the 8355W ends up on the no-fly list is because you can't purchase it with a battery backup. In fact, there's no battery backup interface that can be applied to this motor as an afterthought. Well, not yet at least. So what I want to make clear to you dear viewers is that even though you can't buy this motor in California after July 1st, 2019, the 8355W is a motor worth your money. So why does this matter? Well, it matters because I was once able to install this motor thinking it was your best bang for your buck. But all that has changed now. As the world becomes more complex, our home appliances and the technology that powers those appliances follows that complexity. In short, if you want to pay for a new garage door motor, then you deserve to have a motor that just works. And isn't that what we all want? For our garage door motors that we pay for to just work? Well, the LiftMaster 8355W is a motor that just works. And if you're in a state where you can buy it, it's worth your money. But what if I can't buy it in my state? What am I supposed to do as a good buyer? Unfortunately, nothing. Most dealers and distributors have now depleted their stock on this motor. Sure, you might be able to find it on the internet, but there could be some repercussions that may affect you later. And of course, I can cover that on my next video. Again, my name is Santiago Guerra with SOS Garage Door Service. As always, thank you for watching these videos. Feel free to show this video some thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button there in one of the corners. Don't forget, if you hit that little bell, you can stay up to date with my latest videos. You guys have a great day.